How to make Instagram reel videos. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Quick Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom middle, you can find this plus icon. Tap on it. With that, your gallery will open up. Now from here, you can select any of the video that you want to upload in your Instagram account as reel. Here I will be selecting this one. After you select the video, at the top right corner, you can find the option of next, tap on it. At the bottom left corner, you can find the option of edit video, tap on it. Over here, you will find different options. Now from here, you can easily edit your reel video. You can add new clips, you can add audio, text, stickers. You can also edit the volume as well as you can add filter to the reel video. Here I will be adding some filter to this video. After you are done with the editing, you can tap on this icon given over here. Now your reel is ready. You can add some caption to your reel before you upload it. Likewise, you can tag people, add location, add poll, and you can tap on the option of share after you do that. Now it's in the process to be uploaded. You can head towards your profile, and over here you will find this reel icon. Now over here you will find your Instagram reel. So this is how you can make Instagram reel video. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe.